Every time you come on the show, I'm going to do it live. I'm just going to open my Twitter and see if there are any questions coming, and I'm going to do it live. It's not a pretend. And there you go. Good to see Ravi Dharamshi on ET now. Before you wrap, Nikunj sir, please ask for a tip.
I know that's a pretend. That's not live. The tip is, I think, see, a lot of people are scared of what's happening globally. Rightly so. I think US has probably put themselves in a corner because of the kind of fiscal deficit they have and the kind of interest rates rise that we have seen in US is probably going to have its second order impact. There will be a recession and there will be a tough economic environment in US going forward. And this is coming on the back of a 13-14 years of fantastic stock market performance where the margins are at peak also. So this is going to be a tough decade for US going forward. But India, on the other hand, is actually being very counter-cyclical. And so one end is US, second end is China, where China has probably shot itself in the foot, or probably their priorities lie elsewhere. Giving a boost to the capital markets does not seem to be their priority right now. They have other priorities. So that is leading to India being the other large market, which is now coming on the radar of a lot of people, a lot of long-only funds, endowments funds, sovereign wealth funds. So I expect a lot of money to flow in. Historically, FIIs have owned as much as 25% of the entire equity of India. Today, that's hovering around 17%. So it's not like they are severely overweight or there is over-ownership of FIIs in India. So I expect India to reach $5 trillion economy. I expect the corporate PAT to GDP to go from currently 4.1% to about 7-8% over the next 4-5 year horizon. If that happens, then it will be probably a $300 to $400 billion kind of a profit, corporate profit. And if I had to give it a 20 multiple, what it is getting right now, it most likely will be a $6 to $7 trillion kind of a market cap. We are at about $3.7 trillion market cap. If India was to double its market cap, I am sure we can find enough opportunities where we can go 3x to 5x in a 5-year horizon. I think any kind of a crisis in global markets which leads to selling in India will be a great point of entry point for Indian investors.